This Sunday, August 31st, is a celebration. Join Maureen, Hittis, Nicey, and the Expressions JA crew as they celebrate their birthday on Sunday Night Lime. Live from Willie's Thatch Roof, 115A Mullines Road. Admission is free, so just pass through and hold a vibe with the crew. So make it a date and don't be late. This Sunday, August 31st, Willie's Thatch Roof, 115 Mullines Road. Starting at 6 p.m. sharp.
Then you better start chugging before anyone sees.
Hey, baby girl, hello. Ocha, nasta. Come on. Then look at me, I'm going to see him. No man, you go fast.
Remember me still agreeing on? Okay, stop, bro.
Thanks for reminding me. Go on in. Sure. How yes? I carry a little bag. Yes. You put them in your fridge. And it's this. So then your personal jar in the thumb. Okay?
Thank you, but
So, balik ko pa to sabi ko man now.
well, kinda.
So, come here. Buang ko pa ng bag. Are you tired of the room? May ko puto si sabi ko man.
Auntie Patsy, I'm not really that big yet.
Yeah, big. Trust me. Yeah, big. So, I'm ask you something. Your mother talk to you about a new chapter in your life and how to deal with it and stuff?
No. She gone back overseas.
She come back? Ah, that's sad. You me some responses there? But you call her and tell her, right?
No.
Listen to me, baby girl. Just know what's there. You can call me for anything at all, anytime, anywhere. Don't make nobody tell us there. You can call Auntie Patsy because I want Auntie Patsy. Never tell. Yeah. I want to go on in your life now. What's new? What's old? What is in between?
Well, we did dance a Grand Gala. I did like it.
Yeah. Tell me how that go.
You see one girl with the hula hoop. She bad pan the hula hoop, Auntie Patsy. I want to see her.
Well, oh, girl, first of all, I have to start because me look me so bad. I want so much set. I want to knock me there. Am I so bring up there, sir? I'm can't up back. I'm gonna mark and I'm gonna go.
Give
Girl,
it me
what?
with fire.
No, fire. Girl, you have fire?
Yeah. And the man, and the woman and the man swallow the fire, and the man did that juggle with something on the fire.
With fire? That's all for you, baby girl. I hope you never did near them now.
Me
Never
did
did
it
near
run
them.
at the back.
Oh, okay, but the fire. Talk about fire. When you about fireworks, talk about that.
Fireworks is pretty, different color one time.
One time. Okay, cool. They never afraid, they never loud, they never had that by their ears.
You did frighten me a couple times.
Ah, okay.
Cause me that sleep.
Yeah, that's so like my child. So where were you sleeping? Not on the people them feet.
On the chair.
Ah.
We get chair for sit up and me that sleep on the chair.
Also them give the break on them something there?
When that time that we did don't perform. Cause we had the first perform.
When are the first to perform?
After the soldier and the police them come out and alter.
Soldier and police? Soldier and police, so why do you want them ever jump in so speed? Them don't mean me for another place them. Tell you something. I never forget the time when we got champs. I'ma see about 50 man jump over the pier. I'ma say, wait, I want one. At the quickest, I'm jumping stone. Wait, about soldier and police?
Them did dip on the field and do some karate move and move them gun and alter for something with them gun. And when them come off of the field and they stand up watch it. When they come off of the field, most of them drop down.
Most of them drop down? So they never feed the soldier and the police there?
I don't know.
Them feed you though, right?
Yeah, them treat were nice. Just one thing though. One woman did a shout off away, a back off away.
Back off on you? What's your name? What's she look like? Where she come from?
I don't really know her. But apart from that, everything did nice.
Well, sound like you enjoy yourself, my baby. I represent Jamaica and I can come.
But I did think mommy and daddy got there, but mommy gone back overseas and daddy did have work.
This time, sometimes the parents them have important things to do. So I don't want you hold against them. You understand?
So, me not important.
No, I'm not say that. No, girl. You understand, girl? The important, actually, important says that. So, everything when them do, them have to make sure saying your life easier. Sometimes them have to make like a sacrifice and things. I'm not try to understand. You get what I say?
Mm, I guess so.
So, how long na your mother gone?
But 3 or 4 days after she come here.
Siya for dance. So, I don't skinny one I did there the last time. She didn't come back?